In this short video, I show you important features of PDF files that you need to be familiar with before you can start coding. If you have already downloaded the files in the mini lecture 13, open your index file. On the index file, I want you to notice these three important features. One is the search box. Next is the bookmark. Third is the next button. We use the search box to find the terms that we're looking for. In this case, we have, let's say, hypertension. So we will use the next button to try to find hypertension. Now, as you can see, it will take a long time to find the main term that we are looking for, because the system will start searching for the main term from page 1 through the last page. So this is where the bookmark comes in. As you click on the bookmark, it will display letters A through Z in alphabetical orders. So we use these letters whenever we're searching for the term. For instance, in this case, we are searching for hypertension. And instead of just clicking on the next button, we will click on the H first. So the system jumps right to the H category. Now click on next. With relatively few steps, the system should find your main term. And as you remember, the convention for the main term, it should be in the boldface letters. These are boldface type letters that should be for all our main term. And that's a convention from ICD 9 that has not changed in the ICD 10. Let's try another example. Diabetes. So in this case, we'll click on letter D in our bookmark because D is the letter that starts our main term. The system jumps right to the D category. Now we click next, and the system starts searching for our main term. With very few steps, here's our main term that we're looking for. So once you find your code from the index, the next thing you do to verify your code in the tabular, you have to highlight your code and right click and copy the code. So we're going to copy the code, open our tabular file, and paste the code in the search box, and then click next. And the system will quickly find our code in the tabular. The tabular is relatively easier to use because all you need in your tabular file, PDF file, is just use the search box. In an index file, you have to be familiar with using the search box, the next button, especially the bookmark. So let's try another example. If you're looking for example, ulcer, we'll type ulcer, click on the U, which is the first letter that starts our main term, and then click next. And the system quickly finds our main term. Let's say, for example, this is the main term about the ulcer of the artery. So what do you do next? You highlight your code, right click, copy, go to your tabular file, paste your code in the search box, and click next. And the system should quickly find your code. And whenever you verify your code, just know to come to the category and read all the instruction notes that you need to know about the code. This is all you need to know about using the PDF files. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.